Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing another amazing recipe to grow your hair long and thick. So this recipe is one of my best recipe to grow hair. So the first, we are using two ingredients, and this ingredient you are seeing is called fenugreek. As tiny as they are, oh my god, they do wonders. So another ingredient I'm going to be using for this recipe is rosemary. Guy, I don't have to talk too much. You see, out of all the ingredients that grow here, you see fenugreek and rosemary, don't joke with it. I will rank rosemary one, then fenugreek second. So if you are seeing this video, just be ready to have a long and healthy year. So you can see how I was just pouring rosemary into this container, because rosemary as well, it grows hair very long. So those were the three ingredients I used to make this recipe, and this is actually very potent, very potent. Now I'm using hot water for this recipe. So I was boiling water on the other hand, and I added hot water to it. Why? I want this recipe, or this ingredient, I want it to dissolve so well in water. So that was why I used hot water for this recipe. You can see that I didn't add too much water to it. Well, I didn't measure the water. You don't have to add one bailer of one bailer of water to your recipe. No, little is enough, so that you can have better and greater results. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please and please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much. So I left it for about 8 hours, so that it can do the ingredients can dissolve so well. So guys, I blended it. Yes, do you hear that? I blended it. If you have a good blender, this will actually blend it into a fine paste, but as you can see, this blender is not doing the work. So oh my god, this is looking like a soup. If you agree with me, put that in the comment section. So after blending, I added little water to heat. I added little water to it, and from there I drained it. I separated the ingredient from the moisture content. So only need the water. You don't need the residue actually, so you can just throw that away. You don't have to use it twice, because you using hot water would have helped to absorb the chemical content in the ingredient you are going to use. So can you see how it looked? Yeah, this was actually so potent, like so potent. From the blending, even you blending it using hot water, oh my god, that's a lot. I'm so sorry for this part of this video. I was holding my phone with one hand, and I was squeezing with another hand, and I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, this looks like fried rice ingredients. Oh my god, I feel like I'm hungry. So this one, I don't know if we can, you just have to throw it away. You've taken out the chemical content in it already, so you don't have to do too much. So this was how it looked. You can just put it in your applicator bottle or a spraying bottle for better, for easy usage, and also spray twice a day for maximum results. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I want to see you in my next video. Bye.